Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chini Michael here on YouTube. So today, guys, I'll be showing you how to see your Facebook password. We all know we cannot see our Facebook password on the app. We can only change our password, but we cannot see the password. But do not worry, guys. Chini Tutorials got you covered. Just sit back and relax while I show you how it's been done. But before we dive into the video, please thumbs up this video, share, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. And also turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you. So guys, like I said before, you cannot see your Facebook password on Facebook app. You can only change your password, but you cannot see the password. I'm going to show you. Go to settings and click on password and security. This is it, change password. This is how it looks like, guys. You cannot see your password, but do not worry, I've got it covered. So guys, first of all, you go to Gmail, click on this icon, click on manage your Google account. Slide to security, click on security. So guys, you'd see password manager. You click on it, you see that's my facebook.com. Here you would see your Facebook password. You click on. So guys, this is how it looks like. When you click on this eye icon here, you'll be able to see your password. That's basically it, guys. That's simple, right? That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you watched to this extent, thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to please thumbs up this video and subscribe, okay? See you on my next one. Bye.